The reballing process by RBL type reballing jig. This movie is demonstration of reballing process by RBL type, for league pitches 0.8 mm or more BGA. When a league pitch is 0.8 mm or less, we recommend a PLCR type. However, reballing process is same each. It is the difference of the accuracy of the jig. Please check out the details for PLCR reballing jig on the website. 1. Please prepare solder ball, solder paste, SND type solder printing jig, vacuum tweezers, RBL type reballing jig. 2. Solder ball setting. Next, solder ball is filled up with RBL type jig. Please fill up the whole of the metal mask of RBL with solder balls uniformly. And then, let's leave an excessive ball. Then, as for the whole of the mask, you have to fill up with the ball completely. If it is completed, the guide frame of the jig will be returned to origin. 3. Solder paste printing. Solder paste is printing with SND jig. It is by hand, thus please print carefully. The solder paste should be suitable to the situation. The size of a particle and the viscosity should be managed. They are very important in order to print good. We have two kinds of SND jig. This is on the basis of the outer size of BGA. Another one is the SND jig, which presses down BGA into the whole of the metal mask. In this case, if metal mask is exchanged, it can respond to various BGA patterns. Even if it repeats squeezing 2 times or more, it is okay. Solder paste should be printed uniformly. 4. Pick BGA up. After printing, you have to pick up BGA from SND jig. In this case, please take it out with vacuum tweezers. And then the BGA is put on the RBL, which the solder ball is filled up beforehand. And an attached piece is put on the BGA. 5. Heating. In order to heat, you have to take out BGA from the jig. The solder ball on the BGA is being fixed only with solder paste, thus please carefully when removing BGA. BGA should change its placing on the test board, etc. And then, it is heating, with the rework machine. Please create the profile of heating beforehand. It will be recommendable if heat temperature is lower than soldering. It is, because, in this case, solder ball should be fixed only on the BGA. Reballing is completed. Reballing is completed after heating. Please check that the ball is carried uniformly. This is a movie in a RBL type reballing jig. It is recommendable for league pitch 0.8 mm or more of BGA. When a league pitch is 0.8 mm or less of CSP, we recommend a PLCR type jig. In that case, work process is almost same as this movie. Please also check the details on following website. Thank you for your attention.